Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a specialized creative assessment of Neolemon, analyzing whether this AI cartoon generator is the ultimate solution for consistent visual storytelling or if its specialized focus limits your artistic freedom. Unlike broad, general-purpose image engines that force you to fight for character continuity, Neolemon is engineered around a singular mission, keeping your cartoon characters, outfits, and proportions identical across unlimited scenes. The platform's primary mechanical triumph is its reference-based workflow. Instead of asking a text prompt to guess your character's identity from scratch on every slide, you establish a primary anchor image. From there, you utilize dedicated modules like the Action Editor, Expression Editor, and Outfit Editor to modify specific variables, such as changing a pose from sitting to running, or swapping an expression from happy to surprised, without altering the character's core facial architecture or physical DNA. This makes it an absolute powerhouse for children's book authors, comic creators, and educators who need to output print-ready, high-resolution assets that look like they belong in the exact same universe. Furthermore, it supports over 12 distinct illustration styles, ranging from 3D Pixar-inspired renders to classic anime and watercolors, all accessible without requiring you to write complex, multi-line engineering prompts. However, pushing this software to its limits reveals significant operational boundaries and financial friction that can frustrate advanced users. The single most prominent hurdle is the platform's strict credit economy. While it offers a highly intuitive sandbox, heavy experimentation or complex multi-character scene generation burns through your monthly allowance rapidly, meaning you must plan your generations with strict intent. Additionally, because the system is intentionally specialized for illustrated cartoon workflows, it completely lacks tools for photorealistic human rendering or cinematic live-action video creation, making it a poor choice if you want an all-in-one media studio. You must also account for a slight learning curve regarding the sequence of operations, as achieving perfect results requires you to build your scene composition in distinct, structured steps, rather than trying to manifest everything at once. Ultimately, if you are a storyteller, indie publisher, or content creator who demands rock-solid character consistency and wants to bypass the nightmare of training custom models, Neolemon's purpose-built design is a phenomenal asset. Evaluate your exact monthly project volume, analyze whether your creative goals align with cartoon and narrative illustration, and deploy this specialized generator to scale your visual stories today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.